Hello, students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life is Easy with Biology. Let's begin today's chapter of contraceptive methods. Earlier in this video, we have stated that there are different types of contraceptive methods like natural method, IUDs, barrier method, oral pills, implants, surgical method. Okay, so we will deal with one by one. One first is the natural method or the traditional method. Okay, नेचुरल मेथड में किया जाता है स्टूडेंट्स. नेचुरल मेथड में आपका फिजिकली स्पर्म और ओवा को मिलने नहीं दिया जाता. मतलब कि नेचुरल मेथड इट अवॉइड्स द चांसेस ऑफ ओवा एंड स्पर्म मीटिंग. स्पर्म एंड ओवा to meet. So it avoid the chances of sperm and ova to meet. Sperm मतलब शुक्राणु जो मेल के बॉडी से during through the semen, okay, from the penis is released, and ova that is a female gamete, yeah, female gamete that is produced by the ovary. So in order to inhibit fertilization, what is done, or to inhibit the pregnancy, what is done is these ova and sperms are not allowed to meet, avoiding the chances. Now, how, what are the different natural method? The first is periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence में the couples they abstain मतलब नहीं करना, ठीक है, they abstain from coitus means the method, okay, they abstain from coitus. Abstain मतलब they avoid, okay, they abstain coitus during 10 to 17 days of the menstrual cycle. 17 days of menstrual cycle. Days of menstrual cycle. इसका मतलब क्या है? Because these days are known as the fertile period. These days are known as the fertile period. So if a couple abstain from coitus during this period, then the chances of pregnancy is highly reduced, because because this period is known as the fertile period and ovulation takes place during this period. इसका मतलब क्या है students? Suppose a girl is getting her periods from first, okay, of any month. तो suppose example ले लो कि 1st August से a girl is getting her periods from 1st August to 5th. मेजॉरिटी में मेनली 5 दिन का ये मेंस्ट्रुएशनल पीरियड रहता है. सो 1st to 5th August. तो इसका मतलब है 10th August to 17th August is her fertile period. If this girl or the lady is trying to conceive, then this is the best time for her to conceive the child. Okay, because ovulation takes place in any of these days. सो सेम गोज, अगर ये फर्टाइल पीरियड है, चांसेस ऑफ कंसीविंग अ चाइल्ड इज हाई. अगर इस पीरियड में एब्सटेन किया जाए, मतलब इफ दे आर नॉट डूइंग इट, इफ द कोइटस इज नॉट बीन डन, देन ऑब्वियसली द चांसेस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज विथड्रॉल और कोइटस इंटरप्टस. विथड्रॉल का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? विथड्रॉल मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू गो टू अ बैंक and you withdraw the money. Okay, you understand now? Withdraw का मतलब निकालना, बाहर निकाल लेना चीज़ों को. तो इफ सपोज विथड्रॉल का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि द कपल, ओके, स्पेशली द मेल पार्टनर, ही विथड्रॉज हिज पेनिस फ्रॉम द वेजाइना ऑफ द फीमेल जस्ट बिफोर इजैक्यूलेशन. इजैक्यूलेशन होने के जस्ट पहले वो क्या करेगा? अपना पेनिस वेजाइना से बाहर निकाल लेगा. इसमें होगा क्या कि सेमेन इज नॉट डिस्चार्ज इन टू द वेजाइना एंड हेंस द चांसेस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी इज रिड्यूस्ड. The third point is lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea का मतलब क्या होता है? Lactation का मतलब when the mother is breastfeeding a child, when she is in the terms of lactation. So it is said कि 6 month तक, है ना, when the child is fully dependent on the mother for his or her food, okay, through the milk, then during that time the lady is not menstruating. Okay, periods stop after the delivery ऑफ द चाइल्ड. 10 से 15 दिन जो भी वेस्ट रहता है वो निकलने के बाद द पीरियड स्टॉप्स. ओके, सो देयर इज नो ओव्यूलेशन टेकिंग प्लेस. देन कॉपुलेशन ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड कैन लीड टू नो प्रेगनेंसी. ओके, is this okay now students? Now let me tell about the second method, that is the barrier method. The barrier method, it blocks the emitting of the sperm and the ova physically. Okay, ये ब्लॉक कर देता है. कैसे ब्लॉक कर देता है? लाइक फॉर मेल्स द बेस्ट बैरियर मेथड दैट कैन बी यूज्ड इज कॉन्डम्स. Okay, and Nirod is the popular brand of condom. We all know what is condom. It is made up of latex sheath, okay, latex sheath, and it covers the penis of the male. It covers the penis of the male, penis of male, so that the ejaculated semen remains in it and does not enter into the vaginal tract of the female. Is this okay? Whereas for females, the female condoms are known as femidoms. Femidoms. Now, let me tell you about diaphragm, cervical caps, and vaults. These are also barriers that are inserted in the cervix region of the female, in the cervix region of female, so that even if their couple is performing copulation, even if they are undergoing coitus, then also the lady will not get pregnant, because the semen which has sperm in it would not enter into her into the uterus. Okay, would not enter. So up till here is okay. I'll tell you about other methods in my next class. Thank you.